What's the animal with a golden mane? A lion, big and strong. He goes roar all day long. What's that swinging up so high? He jumps from tree to tree, oh my. That's a monkey. What's the one with the long, long nose? He's gray and big wherever he goes. That's an elephant. Don't you know? What's the animal with black and white? That's a zebra with stripes, so cool. He goes neigh like a horse at school. What's that growling near the tree? He's big and fuzzy, can you see? That's a bear with the great big paw. What's the cute munching bamboo? He's black and white and cuddly too. That's a panda. No! Soft and round. What's the one with the tail so wide? He shows his feathers with so much pride. That's a peacock. Proud and bright. What's the one with the gentle eyes? She runs through grass and under skies. That's a deer. She's fast and shy. What has humps and walks in sand? He carries loads across the land. That's a camel with feet so flat. What's the one that runs so fast? Wishy tail as he trots past. That's a horse on speedy feet. What's the one who gives us milk? She's soft and sweet and smooth as silk. That's a cow who chews her cud. What's the one who howls at night? With yellow eyes and fur so white. That's a wolf. Moonlight pool. What's that big guy beating his chest? He likes bananas and jungle rest. That's a gorilla. Strong and slow. What's the bird that cannot fly, but runs so fast it zooms right by? That's an ostrich. Tall and neat. What's the one that jumps and hops? With the baby in her pouch, she never stops. That's a kangaroo. Hip and fun. The one with the tallest neck. She eats from trees without a step. That's a giraffe. Gentle and sweet. Now we've met the animals too.